Hello, we are going to go ahead and get started today. We are going to work on subtraction again today, working on fiction and nonfiction slides, and then working on your grammar slides. Okay. So again, subtraction is when we take something away from another number. So we're going to use a number line like we did yesterday to help us with those marked spots. So it says move the bug to subtract. Choose the correct answer. So this is my tip for you guys, okay? Let me make sure I'm on the right one. I am going to start with, it says Doug had found 10 flowers. So I'm going to put my bug on the 10, okay? He picked 6 flowers. So now I'm going to move my bug over 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to keep my bug right there. That shows me that there are 4 flowers left. So I'm going to bring down my 4. I'm just going to put it right above my question. And then it'll give me a check mark showing me that I'm correct. You're going to do that same thing with the rest of them. So Alex planted 9 seeds. 4 of them bloomed. How many did not bloom? Aubrey counted 8 flowers. 2 of them were yellow. The rest were pink. How many were pink? Doug saw 7 flowers. 5 were daisies. The rest were tulips. How many were tulips? Joshua picked 6 flowers. He lost 4. How many are left? Mario found 5 frogs in the garden. 4 hopped away. How many are there now? Camilla found 10 flowers. She picked 3. How many are left? Haley saw 9 butterflies. 2 flew away. How many are left? Maria counted 8 butterflies. She let 3 go. How many butterflies does she have now? And Jacob picked 7 flowers. He gave 3 away. How many does he have left? All right, reading. Remember, we're working on fiction. Fiction is whenever it is made up. The purpose of these books is to entertain us. So this right here is working on sentences that are fiction or nonfiction, okay? So fiction means it's made up. Nonfiction means it is true, okay? So I'm going to read each of these sentences to you. And if it is fiction, you're going to put this blue dot right here in this circle beside it. If it is nonfiction, you're going to move this red dot in the circle beside it, okay? So again, blue is fiction, red is nonfiction. Rosie the red bird chirped happily to her friends. What a beautiful day it is today. Is that fiction or nonfiction? Frogs began their lives in eggs. They go through a stage where they have tails like fish too. In order to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you need a knife, jelly, and peanut butter. Stormy the Cloud stomped loudly as he marched away through his downtown Atlanta. Boom, boom, boom. Did you know that getting your hands dirty is actually good for you? There are nutrients in soil that make people happy. Zork, the purple alien, phoned the captain for his spaceship. We should be landing on Earth any time now, sir. Again, you're going to decide after you read those sentences if it is fiction, not true, or nonfiction, true. Fiction would be in blue, nonfiction would be in red. The last thing you're going to do is working on your grammar, your synonyms. Remember, not cinnamon. Synonyms means that words that have similar meanings. All right, so this penguin right here, penguins in pearl, you are going to help the penguin order these 3 synonyms, toss out the 2 that don't belong, okay? So these words right here, you're going to move them in this box right here, like this, okay? So there will be 3 of them that mean the same thing. 2 of them will leave over here, okay? You won't put them in the penguin belly, okay? So terrified, scared, chilly, nervous, and happy. Which three of those do you think mean the same thing? And you're going to put them in the penguin's belly right here. All right, guys, that is it for today. Remember to get on iReady and to get on Google Classroom to do your sight words. That is it. Bye.